everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College, Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini Mehrotra. Today we will study the very interesting story about a fox and wolf. Children, this is the story about a clever fox. Clever who is an intelligent and a greedy wolf whose desires are who is never satisfied. Was the wolf greedy? Was the wolf caught? What would have happened if the wolf had controlled his greed? There lived a fox named Foxy in the forest. He was very clever. Once upon a time in a forest there lived a fox whose name was Foxy. A wolf also lived in the same forest. His name was Wolf. He was very cunning. He was very cunning or he was very selfish. Fox and wolf lived in the same forest. Fox was clever but the wolf was very cunning. One day Foxy was going to meet his friend. Now name of the fox is Foxy. Foxy was going to meet his friend the crocodile in the river. He has a friend crocodile. He was going to meet in the river. Wolf had gone to drink water in the river. Wolf was also there and he was drinking water there. When Wolf saw Foxy, he wanted to eat him. Now when Wolf saw Foxy, he wanted to eat him. I am hungry, growled Wolf. I shall eat you up. Now the wolf is growling, shouting, and he is saying, I will eat you. Foxy became scared. Don't eat me, please, urged Foxy. Now Foxy was scared. He was afraid. He was saying, don't eat me. Why not? Howled Wolf. Howled is the sound made by the wolf. I am hungry. Foxy thought for some time. Soon he had an idea. Come with me, he said. I will find some food for you. Now Foxy said, don't eat me. You come with me. I will find some food for you. Foxy took him to a house in the village. They looked through the kitchen window. A woman was baking cakes on the oven. Now they looked through the window and a woman, a lady, she was making the cakes. Wolf was pleased. Aha, said he, the cakes must be very tasty. Now the wolf, when he saw the woman baking in the oven the cakes, he said, oh, the cakes might be very tasty. Soon the woman went out of the kitchen, shutting the door behind her. Now the woman went out of the kitchen and she shut the door. Shh, said Foxy. Let us get through the window. Now Foxy said, now we will get inside through the window. Foxy was slim. He easily went in, but Wolf was fat. However, he also went in with much difficulty. Foxy was thin and he was weak and Wolf was fat. So Foxy, he entered the window with very easily, but Wolf also entered the window but with great difficulty. Now we can eat the cakes, Wolf said. He was much happy. Be careful, the woman can come any time, said Foxy. Now both of these, they entered the kitchen and started eating the cakes. Now the Foxy said, be very careful. The woman can enter the kitchen any time. Both of them began to eat cakes. Foxy ate 2 cakes. Then he took some cakes and put them outside the window. Now Foxy ate 2 cakes and some of the cakes he threw outside the window. Wolf was greedy. He ate 1 cake, then another and another. He went on eating the cakes and he ate 6 cakes, but still he did not stop. Now the wolf was greedy. His desires were never ending. They are not ending. And he was continuously eating the cakes and he ate 6 cakes. Suddenly Foxy heard a sound behind. He looked back. The woman had opened the door. Suddenly Foxy saw the woman had opened the door. Foxy was very clever. Foxy was very intelligent. As soon as the woman came in, he jumped out of the window and vanished along with the cakes he had kept outside. Now Foxy, as he was slim, thin, he went out of the window, jumped out of it and he was vanished. He was not seen. He disappeared. Poor wolf also tried to run away through the window, but he could not do so. His fat belly is stuck into the window. Now the wolf, his belly was, because he was fat, he couldn't went out of the window and he was caught inside. The woman picked up a stick and beat wolf mercilessly. Now the woman picked up the stick and he beat the wolf very badly, mercilessly. So children, I hope that you have understood this chapter, and just go through the chapter and have a good day children. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video.